Hello everyone, my name is Godwin Williams. I'm a front-end web developer, a React developer, and an instructor here at DWTA Academy. It's been okay. It's been really nice, fantastic actually. With the students, they're catching on. I mean, it's always lovely to impact into young minds, to show them the light, guide them to the path of tech. It's been lovely, especially for my field, which is web development. So it's been lovely. It's been a roller coaster. It's been great. Well, for tech actually, tech is the future, and as they say, the future is here. So basically, I mean, there's no better time to actually dive into tech apart from now. The future, if you want to take it if you want to say, okay, you want to learn it in the next 2-3 years, it might be late for you. By that time, the things that would actually motivate you and prompt you and put you in a good aspect, put you in a good path to learn these things might already have been more advanced for you to learn. So tech is actually the future. A lot of things that we do now, that we, do with our basic little things now, it can just be done now with tech. So tech is actually the future. It's lovely. Yes. I mean, I'm here. I won't go to any place apart from the best. So, yes. It's actually a very good place. I mean, they provide you with systems, with good internet connection. You have the people, the staff, the tutors that will actually guide you through it. I mean, I even learned JavaScript here. As funny as that might sound, I learned JavaScript here. I think I learned HTML and CSS on my own. I learned JavaScript and React. So, it's really lovely. Development, UI, UX, cybersecurity, graphics designing.
The time is up.
Actually, a lot of front-end web developers used to jump into learning JavaScript without knowing CSS. But for me, I actually prioritize learning CSS over JavaScript. You must be very, very good at CSS because front-end web development, I think it's past 10 seconds, but for front-end web development, you are dealing with what your client sees, what everyone will see. So CSS and JavaScript. That's not a computer.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Happy around.
Thank you.